Parrot, answer clearly.
I will.
If you stop reading like a bedtime story.
Rude bird.
Objection! Only telling the truth!
Parrot, answer clearly.
I will.
If you stop reading like a bedtime story.
Rude bird.
Objection! Only telling the truth!
Hey, that's evidence.
Now it's confetti. You're impossible.
Guilty and fabulous.
Oh, that's good.
Stop that!
Just helping you finish your mistakes.
Oh, you're terrible. You're welcome.
Why are you staring at my hair?
Trying to find where the bird's nest ends.
Ha! All right, all right.
Relax, you're still prettier than your arguments.
That's not saying much. This case is complicated.
Great, let's close it.
We haven't started.
Exactly, perfect time to end it.
Did you rip this open?
I plead absolutely. Nothing I've done. Do the handcuffs come in small?
Why is it looking at me?
You look suspicious.
Okay, that's
Blink
fine.
twice if guilty.
What?
Oh my goodness.
Sorry. This is
Don't
ridiculous.
Don't blink.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the evidence speaks for itself. And in conclusion,
Finally! You love me.
I need peace. Good luck. You work with humans. Oh, that's fair. Try seeds. They fix everything.
Parrot, do you understand the seriousness of these proceedings?
Not really. You talk too slow.
Beat it up, Grandpa.
Oh, my word. Order in the court. I wasn't ready for that.
Something wrong?
That Ty committed a fashion crime. Life sentence, no parole. Oh, that's good.
Guilty as charged. Something wrong?
That Ty committed a fashion crime. Life sentence, no parole. Oh, that's good.
Guilty as charged.
Are those my peanuts?
No, they're the court's peanuts.
Which means...
My peanuts. Then I plead... Delicious.
I'm telling the truth.
Lie! Lie detected! Don't worry. I lie sometimes too.